Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Today we have a 1991 Honda Z50R we picked up, and we gave her a little bath. It was completely scuzzy, another barn find. $100 for everything you see here. It's not the original motor. I'm a little disappointed, but it is a 50cc motor with an electric start or kickstart. I don't know what is missing right here. I'm going to have to look into it, and this is the name of the motor, Kazuma. So what I could see I'm missing right now, and I'm going to start chasing down parts. I'm missing both chain tensioners and the rear axle bolt. I'm missing a chain guard and another chain guard, or a chain guard down below, a chain guide. I'm missing motor mounts. I'm missing a carburetor and an intake. I'm missing a front fender. I'm missing the number plate. I have a wiring harness here. I have a coil, but it's missing the end where the spark plug plugs in. I have another one of those. I have the pegs in the kickstand, and I have an exhaust pipe. I am missing the chain. I could probably pick that up locally, although I might just order a real Honda. And I am gonna go start rounding up parts on eBay tonight for this. It's a real Honda. Super excited. Stay tuned for more from Honda Z50R and Old School Customs. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.